Good day, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Mean Absolute Deviation. That's right, today we're going to be talking about how to find the mean absolute deviation using those data points. Yes, those ones right there. Now, remember the first thing we need to do is we need to find the mean. And to find the mean, you got to add it all up, then divide the sum by the number of numbers. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to be doing 22 plus 22 plus 25 plus 27 plus 28 plus 32. Now, if we add up all those numbers correctly, we will come up with a sum of 152. But remember, you must divide the sum by the number of numbers. So let's count up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 data points. So we're actually going to divide 152 by 6. And 152 divided by 6 is, does anybody know? That's right, 26. So our mean is actually 26, which is most helpful because we do need the mean in order to find the mean absolute deviation. So let's clean this up. Now, remember, we need to find out how far each of these points are away from the mean. So, for example, how far is 22 away from 26? That's right, 22 is 4 away from 26. So that'll be a 4. And we have another 22 here, so that'll be a 4 as well. How far is 25 from 26? That's right, it is a 1, because it is 1 away from 26. How far is 27 from 26? Once again, we have a 1 for the distance. How far is 28 from 26? And if you said 2, well, then I'm proud of you, because that now becomes a 2. And then finally, how far is 32 away from 26? And if you said 6, then you, my friends, are correct. Correct. Good job. Now, we find the mean with these new data points, these distances, and of course, to find the mean, you got to add them all up. So let's do that real quick. Let's add them all up. So we got 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 6. And if we add that up correctly, we have a sum of 18. Now remember, you have to divide the sum by the number of numbers. And in case you forgot, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So we're actually going to divide 18 by 6. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. Thus, our mean absolute deviation is 3. I do hope you found that enjoyable as well as helpful. I also hope you know that I am proud of you. This lion is proud of you. I mean, that animal is proud of you, and we're not lying. Kill my own joke. You know what you should do? You should like and subscribe and share this with all your friends and family and math people.